I will show you how to make this text slide animation in DaVinci Resolve. Open the Fusion tab and then click on this icon to create a text plus node. Now customize the text to your liking. Then right click and select follower. Now press on modifiers and then shading. Now click on this button to create a keyframe for opacity. Then scroll down and then create a keyframe for Y offset. Now double click on follower to open it and then set the opacity to 0. Then scroll down and decrease the Y offset to negative 0.15. Now move forward 10 frames and then set the offset to 0 and opacity back to 1. Expand timing and then set the order to left to right and then set the delay to around 2. To make the animation look better, open Spline and then click on Text 1. To see the keyframes, press Zoom to fit. Now press Ctrl and A or Command and A on Mac to select all keyframes. Then right click, Ease and then select Out Cubic. And we have now created this text slide effect.